Are your indoor plants looking a little meh? Here's something most people never realize. Transforming your home's energy and beauty isn't about buying more plants, but about where you place the ones you already own. Today, I'm revealing the top 5 placement secrets that can completely revitalize your living space using your current plant collection. Let's jump right in with secret number 1, the viewpoint vantage principle. People often put plants where there's a bare spot, but the real magic happens when you place them at key sightlines. Think about the moments you pause in your day, entering the front door, sitting at your desk, or relaxing on your sofa. Placing plants at these pause points creates visual refreshment, essentially turning your leafy friends into instant mood boosters. For example, try a snake plant near your entryway. Its upright leaves have a welcoming, sculptural quality. Snake plants thrive in almost any light and need watering only when the soil is totally dry. Quick tip: rotate the pot every 2 weeks for even growth and to prevent leaning. Now let's talk about light. Most people underestimate how crucial light is, not just for plant health, but for aesthetic drama. Instead of defaulting to the nearest windowsill, research the natural light levels at different times of day and match your plants accordingly. For instance, east-facing windows get gentle morning light, perfect for peace lilies, which can thrive in lower light but will really flourish with a bit of filtered sun. Tips: dust leaves regularly so they absorb maximum light and turn the pot occasionally to promote even growth. If a plant is getting leggy or pale, it may be asking for more light. Move it closer to a brighter source. Conversely, if leaves scorch or bleach, back it off a bit. But lighting isn't the only perspective to consider. Change your perspective, literally. Layering plants at different heights adds instant depth to any room. Instead of clustering everything on the floor, use shelves, plant stands, or even sturdy furniture to lift trailing or upright plants closer to eye level. For a cascading effect, try a pothos on a bookshelf or high corner. Its trailing vines soften hard lines and visually connect different levels in the room. Pothos are adaptable and forgiving. Let the top inch of soil dry out before watering and trim stems occasionally to encourage bushier growth. If vines get unruly, just pinch back. These plants bounce back quickly. Height creates visual interest, but let's talk function. This one's a game changer. Let your plants wear multiple hats by integrating them into your home's function. For example, a medium-sized aloe vera on your bathroom counter isn't just decorative. It purifies the air and offers on-demand skin relief. Position plants in areas where their superpowers shine. Herbs by a sunny kitchen window, for instance, offer both fresh scents and cooking inspiration. Aloe loves bright, indirect light, so a windowsill or counter near natural light is perfect. Water deeply, but only when the soil is completely dry. Aloe despises soggy roots. Individual placement is powerful, but there's something even better. Plants, like people, love community. Grouping several compatible plants together not only amplifies their oasis effect, but also creates a mini microclimate where humidity and health can thrive. Experiment with odd-numbered groupings, 3, 5, or more, and a variety of textures and shapes. A great start: pair a ZZ plant with a compact fern and a trailing ivy on a coffee table or sideboard. ZZ plants are almost indestructible, low light, minimum water, and they continue to look spectacular. Just keep them away from direct, punishing sunlight. Here's the real secret: small, strategic placement tweaks can unleash the true potential of your plants and your home. Always remember, let function and feeling guide your placements, not just empty spaces. So this weekend, instead of shopping for more greenery, try shuffling your favorites with these 5 secrets in mind. Step back and watch your space, your mood, and your plants come vibrantly alive. Experiment, enjoy, and let your plants do the talking.